So welcome to my shower house essentials kit. Few items in here that are really mandatory in my opinion. Number one is shower shoes, as I call them, which is really high quality plastic flip-flops. I wear these to the shower house. I wear them in the shower, and I wear them back to my Class B RV Travato. The reason for this is if you have seen the cleanliness level of shower stalls in public places, public shower houses, it's pretty bad. And I want my feet happy. Who doesn't like happy feet? So shower shoes. Number two, I like shower gel. Get a shower gel that has a locking pump top. So you pump, you do your shower washing. Your last pump, you lock this, and then it doesn't leak. And to me, that's really important because I don't want soap all over my stuff. So this is Costco brand. You get 2 bottles for $10, and not only a great quality product, but it has this locking top, and fits right in there. A lot of times I like to use the handicap stall if it's available. Number one, it's bigger. Often, number two, there's a shelf benchy seat thing, and I use that to store my my gym bag. And the other nice thing is the shower head is really adjustable, so I kind of prefer the handicap stall. And then the shower gel can rest here on the bar. Obviously, a high quality towel. This is kind of a lightweight cotton, and this hangs in my bathroom here when I get back, so it dries out between shower sessions. I have kind of the Clorox Disinfecting Wipes. I use this to disinfect the toilet seat before I sit on it. Those two can be pretty disgusting, and even the sink and counter space. And while the sink here isn't too bad, I've personally cleaned it 3 times during my days here just because it was so disgusting. I don't know why people can't pick up after themselves, but again, this is what I would wipe down with the Clorox wipes, and then do all my teeth cleaning and all that in the RV. I then have kind of a shower house set of clothes. So these are like gym pants. They easy to pop on, pop off. Just a t-shirt that's sort of dedicated to that feature, or if it's warm out, shorts. So these are always in my shower house kit, and then I go to the shower house, shower, come back, and then change. And I do all my teeth cleaning in my Travato because I find that to be much more sanitary for me. I do shave in the shower house, but these are the essentials. So shower shoes, locking shower gel, sanitation wipes, towel of course, and then some shower house clothes. So that's part of the daily routine. So another part of the shower house kit is kind of a public restroom essentials kit. Because again, Class B's, I like to go number 2, someplace besides my Travato. Just keeps the sanitary sewer hose thing more sanitary. So what I've devised is a little system here to make sure that not only is my seat clean, but I'm clean. So here's a tip. So disinfecting wipes, I put these in a baggie, and I wipe the seat down before I use it because they can be pretty disgusting. And who doesn't know what a commode looks like? But this is why I bring those Clorox wipes, just to hit the toilet seat before I hit the toilet seat. And these are pre-moistened wipes. These are the Costco brand. You get a box, and I put those in a separate baggie, and I kind of clean myself with that afterwards, so it's nice and clean. And all those go into a single quart-sized bag here, and that is my public restroom essentials kit. Very discreet, just folds up, goes into my my coat, my back pocket, whatever. And I'm just assured to have a nice, clean experience there in the public restroom. So shower house essentials, public restroom essentials. Hopefully you got a little tip out of that. Sure appreciate a thumb up. If you got something out of this, subscribe to the channel, please. We're growing like crazy. If you know somebody that's into RV research, they have an RV, they're exploring RV lifestyle, van life, I'm sure to appreciate a share and comment. What are some of your tips and tricks that you're using out in the public bathroom, shower house, and restroom facilities? Would love to see if I'm missing something, so help me out there. All right, so until we meet again, I wish you to journey on. Cleanliness of these shower stalls is really suspect sometimes, so that's why the importance of the shower shoes.